How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys have definitely seen by the title and thumbnail, we have some new upgrades for my 2025 AT4. And as you guys can see just from this shot here, the upgrades, but we're gonna go over everything that I've kind of done to the truck so far. But look at these wheels and tires, guys. As you can see from a side shot alone, these wheels and with this tire setup just look absolutely insane on my 2025 AT4. So as you guys know, obviously this is a sterling metallic. It's a silver paint color, but look at how well this truck goes with, this color goes with these wheels. Just looks absolutely amazing. We're gonna get a shot from the other side. Might be able to see it a bit better with the light. But look at how amazing these wheels look. Let's go over what we got on the AT4. So as we bring it in closer here, guys, you can see we have a Firestone Destination XT tire. And these tires are 285 60 20s. And then you could see the wheels there are a Fast HD Trax wheel. And these are a 20x10 wheel. So first of all, we're gonna go over just the overall fitment. So as you guys can see there, it's got almost the perfect amount of poke in my opinion. Obviously, everyone has their own opinions, but you can see it has a little bit of a poke there, which is very nice and aggressive when you look at it from the front. You can see it's got that nice aggressiveness. And then also the tread on this tire, as you guys can see, is an XT. So obviously there's AT, XT, MT. This is kind of the middle ground. So the tires I had on previously were a MT. So they were a lot noisier. Like honestly, I barely hear these tires compared to those MTs. But look at these wheels, guys. I can't get over how good the Sierra looks now with these wheels on it. And I don't know if you guys can notice, but if you take a look from here, there's also another upgrade that we've done, not just the wheels and tires. So we will make another video on that, but I'll give you guys a little teaser. If you come in here, you can see there, it's about all I'll show you for now, but you can see there, we have done another upgrade in relation to the suspension, which you may or may not be able to tell from looking at it just on the side here, but it looks a lot better with these wheels and tires. And fitment wise, these tires fit pretty nice. And honestly, I've had a lot of, I guess, questions about the 285. So if you guys are wondering about the 285s, it's more like a 34. I know you guys usually, or with trucks, usually refer to tires as 33s, 35s. These are more like a 34 inch tire, which is very nice. And it just fills that wheel well so much nicer than the originals, the stock tires that were on the truck. And the clearance is nice in between here. You might have a little bit of rubbing in the back on full cranks. So just as like a disclaimer, there might be a little bit of rubbing just on the turns on the full cranks, but it's nothing horrible and you can get away with these tires. I just can't get over how nice they look from all angles. And if you guys were wondering about kind of like the dish, there is a nice little dish on there, nothing crazy, but I feel like this is the perfect wheel and tire setup for your 2025 Sierra AT4 or any Sierra in that aspect. But wow, I just can't get over how much better this truck looks, guys. Looks insane. Especially with The tow mirrors, as you guys know, that we have on there as well. The truck just looks that much better. Now, I know you guys will remember what the stock AT4 looked like when we had it, you know, before the wheels and tires, before the tow mirrors. And now you'll take a look at it and it just looks that much better, because now the wider wheels, or the tow mirrors, kind of complement the wider wheels, because as you're going down the road, you see just width to the truck and kind of that aggressive stance, which it was definitely missing from factory, which a lot of vehicles don't have from factory. But wow, I'm just very happy with how these wheels and tires turned out. And like I said, guys, we will be talking about what's in there in another video to follow. But overall, the look of this truck is 10 times better. And I just love how it turned out. But I want you guys to let us know in the comments below what you think of these new wheels and tires. And if you like them, drop a like. Also comment, let us know what wheel and tire setup you have on your Sierra or Silverados, just so we can kind of, compare and just see what everyone else has out there. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video.